Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's comparison, we're diving into two of the leading home fitness innovations of 2025, Peloton Guide versus Tonal. Let's explore how these two systems stack up in terms of technology, workouts, and what sets them apart in the fitness world. Starting with Peloton Guide, this piece of equipment is a game changer for anyone who wants a more personalized and interactive workout experience at home. The Peloton Guide uses artificial intelligence, AI, to track your movements, monitor your form, and provide real-time feedback. It's designed to enhance your workout experience by focusing on strength training, offering a wide range of live and on-demand workout classes. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with the Peloton app, giving you access to a vast library of workouts that cover everything from yoga to cardio. One of the standout features is its Form Assist feature, which ensures you're performing exercises correctly to avoid injuries and maximize results. Now, let's talk about Tonal. This is a completely different kind of fitness machine. The Tonal system combines a sleek wall-mounted design with digital weight resistance and a wide variety of strength training workouts. It's equipped with smart sensors that adjust the resistance automatically based on your strength, so it's truly a personalized experience. It also has a range of unique features like adaptive resistance, personalized coaching, and a large library of strength-based workouts, including personalized programs that adapt to your goals. Tonal's strength training focus is particularly appealing for those who want to build muscle without needing bulky weights or machines. When comparing the two, Peloton Guide is great if you're looking for a versatile system that combines both strength and cardio training with real-time AI feedback. It's perfect for people who want that extra push during workouts, and the Peloton community is an added bonus. However, if you're specifically interested in a smart strength training system that customizes resistance and offers an elegant space-saving design, then Tonal is your best bet. Tonal's AI-powered resistance system makes it perfect for those serious about building muscle. So, what do you think? Would you go with the Peloton Guide for a well-rounded fitness experience, or is the Tonal's smart strength training the way to go? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.